Okay, 7:30 open. Market is starting to move to the upside. Market have already tapped to my key level, fair value, fair value. Let's see what will happen next. I will be pretty much wait for a first manipulation. This is down manipulation. A tap of the key level. I will wait for this 5 minute candle to close, then wait for an engulfing candle to the downside. Then I will. Up until now, market is so much bullish on the 5 minute. That's when the engulfing is having. Uh, Now you wanna see engulfing of this candle to the downside. We have enough manipulation. If more manipulation happens, that will be okay. But at this point, we'll be looking for engulfing candle, 5 minute candle, and that candle will be closed. And if the engulfing candle happens according to us, and if the engulfing candle suits my plan, I will be shorted or enter on that candle. So let's search for this candle to be close. Okay, so there is no engulfing yet. Market have tried to move to the downside, but it didn't able to close there, and the candle eventually end up have a large wick to the downside. So I'll not enter on this trade yet. I need a clear engulfing candle and close of that candle. So let's wait. Okay, so market have engulf and close at this point. So I will be entering on this trade. My SL goes above there. Target here. I will put my entries. Contracts will be 8 contracts. Sorry, 7, 6 contract. Okay, let's sell it. Limit order with 6 contracts. TP will be 2 hour. Set 2 hour TP. Right there. Okay, let's try to enter on the on minute. On the case that we have missed the trade. My network is fucking with me at this point. Okay, we got filled in on our position. Nothing to worry about. Everything is looks smooth. Let's see how it plays out. Target at a on a step 2. Stop loss above there. Everything is set. Now just need to wait for the bang and the smash. And let's see what's happened. This trade can be pretty much be a loss because we have introduced with so much foolishness, but that foolishness get taken out. So uh, if the market want to go to the upside, the trade will be lost. Or if this, let's say there is something on this week or whatever, that's will there is so many things can happen until we have strong close to the downside. We can't say anything. By watching this on candle, we can't anticipate what's going to happen, but the 15 minute is looking pretty much good. If this candle close below this previous candle's body, there will be a high probability that this trade can be play out. But we also keep in mind there is a wick on the 15 minute that will play as a demand zone. After if price step into this zone, it might have some quick slowdown or market can be reversed from here. So if market tap there, we need to keep an eye. Okay, we have go down this previous order block. Trade is looking pretty much. Why we have taken this trade? First, we have identified our direction on the daily chart. We have identified our direction on the daily chart. Then we have moved on to the 4 hour chart. We have identified our session base. We have moved came to the 1 hour chart and identify our key levels. This one is our fair value gap on our fair value gap. This one is our on our order value gap. On the 5 minute, we have just wait for the 9:30 US stock market open. We have wait for the manipulation, market tap into our key level, market manipulate higher, and then we have wait for that engulfing candle, market engulfs to the downside. That's give us the confirmation that yeah, from this key level market is reacting, so this is the right time to go for shorts. Okay, let's start to look for shorts and take short. That's pretty much it. This is why I have taken this trade. This is pretty much my strategy. Every day I just identify my direction and play and execute trade according to my direction, according to my strategy. That's it. Okay, let's see how this candle will close. 25 minutes left. Can't say anything. Market is also reversing. Why? Maybe from this fair value gap, 5 minute fair value gap. Actually, oh, we have a 15-minute open fair value gap. Price have tapped there and kind of reversing, but we also plot down here. Can't say anything. 5 minute close with a long wick. Let's see what is the next 5 minute will do. Because at this point we can't say too much yet. Okay, so on the 1 minute that order block get kind of disrespected, but after the disrespecting sharp move to the downside, market have engulfed and we have almost reached to the low point. If we break and close below this zone, I will move my stop loss above this 5 minute candle high. If this 5 minute candle break and close below. Moving on to the 15 minute is looking quite good and bearish, lining with our bias, grinding with our trade idea. So yeah, can't say anything yet. Everything is looking good. This reaction. Let's see how this 1 minute, 5 minute candle closes. Okay, so the 15 minute candle almost closed below the previous candle low. 5 minute isn't looking so much good. It's give us a dolphy candle. So let's see next one. We can't say anything right yet because market is rejecting from there, rejecting from there. Need to see how it's play out. Okay, on this 5 minute candle, market goes all the way up and then closes below this candle with a strong bearish push. If market closes below this mark, I will move my stop loss over here. I need a 5 minute closer for that. On the 1 minute chart, yeah, market is looking pretty much good, but we have this zone, this block. We can say it's order block. This zone is reacting and making the push of market. So I like to see this zone is getting break. This zone is breaking. New 15 minutes looking good. 5 minute open. Have only problem with this 5 minute because this zone is delivering a strong bullishness to the market. So much bullishness to the market. Market had tried to create a lull on time, but it failed. On failure, on failure. So let's see how everything's turn out. This order block holds or this order block holds. So at this point, it is not looking good. Well, it's not looking good because this on minute order block is holding. Price is trying to push down, go to the downside, but this zone end up holding, break above this. Let's see. I'm not doing anything yet, well, because there is nothing to do eventually. Decide waiting. Maybe this 5 minute candle will take me out, but the bullishness is quite strong. Right, we have the engulfing to the downside, that's upside that is referring us that bullish are taking control of the market, bearish are bears are failing, bulls are taking obvious control. So at this point, almost sitting at the break-even point, still not doing anything because there isn't anything to do yet. There is no sign we are going to the upside or downside. Market have I have followed my rule. I have followed my setup. Now I have to just wait and play it out. If it's a loss, that's a valid loss because I have done everything I can do, right? So now at this point, the only thing I can do, sit and watch. That's it. So now again we have come to the downside and tap of this on our order block. Wison is just reacting and pushing the market up and up. Let's see what happens now. This time I will put myself here because if this market gets rejected triples time, there is a high probability that trade will not be playing out. Uh, Trade will go through my stop loss. So on that case, I will move myself above this zone and let's see if it breaks or not. How it's hold, how it's played out. Again, this zone is pushing the market so much harder and a strong fight is going on. We have tap, market got rejected, then market again come back, market go all the way down there. Taps the so if this moves liquidity, then market again got rejected. The 5 minute is about to close and it's looking so much good in our direction. Mm, Maybe the price will just start moving in our direction, but that zone isn't completely got breached yet. It is still hanging on, but this is a 5 minute strong closer. 15 minute is also looking good. 5 minute is also looking good. Let's see how this order block again play out. There is the sharp move to the upside. Start to playing out again. Maybe we'll be taken out by this little order block. Someone is just trying to hold it so much. Wow, very sharp move to the upside. So much sharp move. Let's see if it sticks out or not. Okay, so I am about to check out. Market is on that order block. Crazy. I don't know what is there. I didn't see anything. Just market reacts, sharp moves from the zone that actually hold pretty much quite strongly. So that's it for today. I'm only allow myself for one trade, and I have it minus 0.3% maybe, or 0. I would say that's a 0.2% loss. Yeah, that's a 0.3% loss. Not a big deal. Okay, let's move on.